Welcome this video. Build a rustic gardening bed. Gardening is a full power and productive hub and build a rustic gardening bed for the purpose palette is an excellent way to start. Use palette is an a cost effect eco friendly approve that productive structure and conveyance for growing pallet. This gas will work. You are throwing that the process of construction artistic gardening bed use reclaimed wood benefit of use pallet for artistic gardening bed affordable pallets are often available for free or at a low cost for away home supplying marketing or hard away store. Centrability the purpose palette reading away to Promex easier friendly gardening durable pallet wood hard type stood a long lasting employing rustic bed waterlong better plants health earth of excess then reading the wood need a for plant make gardening most comfortable Choose the right palette before you bring its choosy to select soft palette for gardening. Look for palette make with HT sting of MB palette contain harmful chemistry that can into salt, improving the wood for sign of rot. Watch palette useless your stone then warm is not fixed material. Choose the structure for durable the board or think and stood to hold solved step by step gas to build your rustic gardening bed. Palette use a home careful the palette board. Take your time to the wood. Remove and set the best parking for construction the gardening bed. Cut the wood size